Hey everyone, your name, here, and today we're checking out the all-new 2026 Rivian R2. This electric SUV is looking to shake up the market with its blend of adventure-ready features, stunning design, and everyday practicality. So, buckle up, and let's see if the R2 lives up to the Rivian hype. Design. First up, let's talk looks. The R2 borrows some design cues from its bigger sibling, the R1S, with that signature Rivian front light bar and bold stance. But it's a more compact package, making it perfect for navigating city streets and tighter spaces. This smaller size doesn't mean sacrificing style though. The R2 has a sleek, aerodynamic design that looks both futuristic and rugged. Interior. Moving inside, the R2 continues to impress. The interior is spacious and comfortable, with ample head and legroom for 5 passengers. Rivian is known for their focus on sustainable materials, and the R2 is no exception. You'll find plenty of eco-friendly touches throughout the cabin. The centerpiece of the dash is a large touchscreen infotainment system that controls everything from navigation to climate. But Rivian hasn't forgotten about physical buttons. There are still some for essential functions, which is a big plus for those who prefer a mix of digital and analog controls. One unique feature is the new scroll wheel design on the steering wheel, which lets you navigate menus and adjust settings without taking your hands off the wheel. It's a clever and ergonomic touch. Performance. Now, let's talk about the muscle under the hood, or shall we say, under the floor. The R2 comes in 2 battery pack options, offering a range of up to 300 miles on a single charge, which is plenty for most daily commutes and weekend adventures. There are also 2 electric motor configurations available. The base model offers a good balance of power and efficiency, while the higher-end model provides some serious get-up-and-go adventure features. But the R2 isn't just about city driving. It's built to take on the outdoors too. Standard ground clearance gives you the ability to tackle rough roads and trails with confidence. There's also an available off-road package that adds features like skid plates and all-terrain tires for even more off-road capability. Here's where Rivian gets really interesting. Remember that flat roof? Well, it's not just for looks. An optional tent accessory can be mounted up there, giving you a comfortable sleeping spot for your next camping trip. Talk about convenience. Unique selling points. So, what sets the R2 apart? First, it's the combination of size, performance, and range. This SUV offers a lot of capability in a package that's still manageable for everyday driving. Second, there's the focus on adventure. The R2 is a true all-rounder, happy cruising city streets or exploring off the beaten path. Finally, it's the Rivian brand itself. They're known for their commitment to sustainability and innovation, and the R2 reflects those values. Overall, the 2026 Rivian R2 is a compelling option for anyone looking for an electric SUV that can handle anything you throw at it. Whether you're a daily commuter or a weekend adventurer, the R2 is worth a closer look. Thanks for joining me, and if you're interested in learning more about the R2, be sure to check out the links in the description below.